Welcome back to Guru Design Lab and I am Guru. Today we are modeling exercise 47 in this bracket feature, a unique design combining a chamfered base wedge with an upper U-shaped support channel and two rounded vertical ears. We will learn how to efficiently sketch this profile and use precise dimensions like 30 mm ear and height and 10 mm dia holes and master symmetric features to build it perfectly. Let's open our SolidWorks and let's jump right into your SolidWorks software. So first we need to close this exercise and then we will start from a sketch. Then select a new part. You can see here and then okay. Select any plane like top plane and then a sketch. So first we need to create a sketch. So first we select the lines and create lines like this and select a smart dimension and measure this dimension 20 mm and this dimension is 50 mm, sorry 50, 70 mm. Select this midpoint and this origin with control button and make it coincident. Then go to smart dimension and make this dimension is 40 mm and this dimension is 20 mm and this is 30 mm. This dimension is also 20 mm. And then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 10 mm. This you can see here this base file is ready now. And select this face and go to sketch tab and select go to sketch tab, select a line here and create a line. Go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude up to 10 mm. You can see here and select this face and go to sketch tab and create a reference line for creating the ears. Select this line and select it for construction and go to smart dimension and measure this line from here to here is 30 mm and go to sketch tab and select circle here and create a circle at this midpoint and go to smart dimension. This die is 20 mm, this die is 10 mm and create a line, match this profile here and select and go to trim entities and trim these entities and go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it opposite side here and extrude it up to 10 mm and then okay, this one ear side is ready and we can mirror it from mirror entities. So first we select the mirror from mirror tab and select faces features to mirror, select this boss extrude and select face of plane, then select right plane and then select okay. This is easy to design this profile and go to appearance tab and select appearance any type of you want to apply on it and then okay. And that is how you model exercise 47 in SolidWorks and If this tutorial helpful in a step by step breakdown to understand you and how align the vertical ears to create the chamfered base edge, and please hit like and subscribe button and subscribe to Good Design Lab. Drop a comment below, let me know which feature gave you most trouble. And I am Guru, thanks for watching and keep designing. Thank you guys.